So hello everyone. So in the last video we have completed exercise 6.1 and examples, theorems, everything we have completed there. So in this video we are going to start with exercise 6.2. Okay, let's move to the question, the first question of the exercise 6.2. What is given in the question? See, in the question it is given that two lines AB and CD are given. Okay, AB and CD. These are the two lines we are given with already, these AB and CD. But see, these are not given as parallel, okay? And one transversal line is also given like this. This is the transversal, okay? This angle is given as 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree. This angle is given as X. This angle is given as Y. And this angle is given as 130 degree. Okay, so what we are given with and what we need to find out. So we need to find see what we need to find angle X and Y. Means we need to find the value of these X and Y. Okay, X और Y की value find out करनी है. We need to find out the value of X and Y. And to show, also we need to show something, to prove something, that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, we have to do two things. देखो क्वेश्चन में ना दो चीज़ें करनी है. Some things are given. This angle is 50 degree. This is 130 degree. These are given. But some things we need to prove, we need to find, we need to show. That I have written here. So let's start. Okay, just for a moment, I'll take this 50 degree as angle 1. इसको मैं angle 1 ले लेता हूँ. I'll write angle 1 here. Okay. So the sum of this angle 1 and this X, how much you will be getting? You will say, proof. I'm mentioning angle 1 is which one? This 50 degree one. This is angle 1. And I'll take this one as angle 2. 130 degree वाला angle 2 लेता हूँ मैं इसको. Now see, this angle 1 plus X. Angle 1 plus X equals to what? 180 degree. You all know the region. It is linear pair. It is linear pair. So how much angle 1 is? 50 degree. Angle 1 is 50 degree and X you need to find out equals to 180. So X will be equal to 180 minus 50. How much you are getting? 30 degree. X you are getting is 30 degree. Okay. Now the same thing, same process you need to follow for this one. This angle 2 and Y relation you can catch. What relation you are getting from it? This is vertically opposite angle. So angle Y equals to angle 2. Vertically opposite angle. I am writing VOA. That means vertically opposite angle. So how much Y will be? Y will be, angle 2 is how much? 130 na? So it is, some subtraction problem I have done. 180 minus 50, 130 degree. It is 130 degree. Okay, some subtraction problem. Y is 130 degree. Is it? Y is how much? 130 degree. See, X we have find out. X is how much? 130. X is how much? 130. Y is how much? 130. Isn't it? So now see one thing. These X and Y on a transversal are forming X and Y on a transversal. You can clearly see this thing in figure. X and Y, this X and Y on a transversal are forming which angle they are forming? Alternate interior angles. And which kind? Equal alternate interior angles. I'll write equal alternate interior angles. देख लो x कितना है 130, y कितना है 130. तो 130 130, that means equal alternate interior angles are there. और ऐसा कौन सी सिचुएशन में होता है? इन विच सिचुएशन इट हैपन्स? इन विच सिचुएशन इट हैपन्स? इट हैपन्स इन what? When two lines are parallel. So we can write at the end, therefore AB is parallel to CD. Hence proved. AB is parallel to CD. That's what we need to prove. We have proved. Okay. Try to watch the video on repeated mode. For any doubt, for anything, you can watch it. Okay. You are having video, you can watch it on repeated mode. Let's move to the second one. The second question. We are given with three parallel lines this time. This I will draw here. Three parallel lines. A, B. Okay. AB. Then parallel to C, D. Then parallel to E, F. All these three lines are parallel. AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. And what we are given with? A transversal again. This is a transversal we are given with. This one is given as angle X. This one is given as angle Y. And this one is given as angle Z. See, we are given with already AB. You can write given here. What is the given statement? AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF. देखो, अगर AB CD के पैरेलल है, CD EF के पैरेलल है, that means AB and EF are also parallel ना? AB and EF are also parallel. And also we are given with the ratio of Y is to Z. Y is to Z is 3 is to 7. This ratio is also given. Y is to Z is 3 is to 7. And we need to find, what we need to find? To find is X. We need to find X. Now let's go to the figure. Okay. Proof or solution. You can write here solution. Okay. Now see. This is angle Y. This is angle Z. The ratio of Y is to Z is given. The ratio of Y is to Z is given. This angle 1 I am mentioning here. Angle 1 I am mentioning in figure. You can see that angle 1 and Y are equal. Yes, you will say yes sir. Angle Y equals to angle 1. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Clearly figure में देखो. Figure में सब कुछ होता है. I already told you. Just go inside the figure, go inside the figure, go around and around and you will get something. Figure के अंदर देख लो, वहीं से सब मिल जाएगा. Okay. Now this angle 1 plus this angle Z. This angle 1 plus this angle Z. How much they are forming? 180. Angle 1 plus Z equals to 180. Why 180 they are forming? Angles on the same side of transversal. If parallel lines are there na, if parallel lines are there and angles on the same side of the transversal are there, that means this angle 1 and this angle Z means these angle forms 180 degree sum. Now come back to our question. Y ratio Z is given as 3 is to 7. Y is to Z is given as 3 is to 7. That means from this statement Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7, I can take what? Y equals to 3P and Z equals to 7P. Y equals to 3P and Z equals to 7P. है ना? We have to use any variable in ratios, in ratio and proportions. We have learned that thing. है ना? If Y equals to 3P and Z equals to 7P, that means the ratio of Y and Z is 3 is to 7. You can cancel out P to P. So 3 is to 7 ही बचेगा ना? So that is the thing. We are using a variable. Okay. Now put the value of Y. Y is equals to angle 1. Angle 1 is how much? 3P. Put the, देखो क्वेश्चंस में ही देख लो बहुत ध्यान से फिगर में रिपीट करके. y equals to angle 1, that means y equals to 3p, so angle 1 equals to 3p, so I will put in place of angle 1 I will put 3p, and place of angle z, in place of angle z I will put 7p, plus 7p equals to 180. 3p plus 7p equals to 180, that means 10p equals to 180. Now 10 to 180 cancelled on 18, so p equals to, so how much p equals to 18 degree. You are getting p equals to 18, you are getting p equals to 18. So what is the meaning, what is the meaning? If p equals to 18, that means angle z will be equals to 7p, angle z will be equals to 7p. So p is 18 na, so 7 multiply by 18, so how much 7 multiply by 18? It is 126 degree. Z will be equals to 126 degree. You can see clearly angle Z is 126 degree. हमने find out कर लिया है. अब देखो ना, in your figure go back, we need to find the value of x ना. This AB and this EF are parallel ना. AB CD के parallel है, CD EF के parallel है. That means AB and EF are parallel. That means angle x and angle z, are they equal? You will say yes, angle x and angle z are equal. Why? Alternate interior angle. X equals to z. I'll write alternate interior angle. Why? क्योंकि AB is parallel to EF. AB is parallel to EF. That means x will be equals to 126 degree. देख लो, x will be equals to 126 degree. This is the question. You can clearly see the question again, try to watch it again. If any doubt is there, write in comments. Okay, that what we have done. So try to go inside the figure. That's the thing I am saying again and again. Always move around everything in the figure. Figure के चारों तरफ, figure के अंदर बाहर सब कुछ घूमना है. Figure is a diamond here. Okay, it's a fort. Just you have to find out, extract everything. Okay, जो भी निकाल सकते हो figure से निकाल लो. So now let's move to the next question, question number 3. Okay, let's see in question number 3 what we are given with. Third question, we are given with a figure. Again, the figure is given already. Let's draw. Every time you need to solve a question, you need to draw a figure. If you are not drawing a figure on your own, that means you are doing something wrong. See the A, B and C, D. These are the two parallel lines given. This point E is given on the line CD. This point F is given. And it is perpendicular. It is perpendicular. This angle is of 90 degree. Very important question. Try to watch it. And this is G. So, we are given but we are given with FE perpendicular on CD. FE perpendicular on CD to prove, to find. And also one more thing we are given with. Angle GED equals to 126 degree. ये भी दिया हुआ है. Angle GED equals to 126 degree. What we need to find is angle AGE, angle GEF, angle FGE. These things we need to find. We are given with FE perpendicular on CD and angle GED. Let's find out angle GED. सबसे पहले तो यही निकाल लेते हैं. Which one is angle GED? And also these line AB and CD are parallel. You can write it also. AB parallel CD in your given section. Everything you have to write in your given section. So you know what? Why we have to write? Because if we are having a clear given section ना, then we will be able to find out everything very clearly. तब हम easily find out कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज फ्रॉम द गिवन सेक्शन वी कैन यूटिलाइज थिंग्स, गिवन सेक्शन से यूज करेंगे, ओके, देन वी विल बी एबल टू फाइंड. सो नाउ सी, we are given with this angle GED, the complete angle. Just see this one GED. मैं इतने एंगल की बात कर रहा हूँ. This whole angle is how much? 126 degree. Is it? Now first one we have to find angle AGE. Let's see angle AGE. This angle we need to find out. अरे सी, यू कैन सी द फिगर में देखो, दिस GE इज व्हाट? ट्रांसवर्सल. GE इज व्हाट? ट्रांसवर्सल. इफ एंगल GED, अगर एंगल GED 126 है तो AGE ये वाला भी कितना होगा? 126 ही आएगा. इट विल ऑल्सो बी 126. सो लेट्स राइट द सॉल्यूशन. एंगल AGE will be equal to, angle AGE will be equal to angle GED. Why? Alternate interior angle. You can see, देख लो फिगर में, ये वाला एंगल दिख रहे हैं, this one and this one, both are alternate interior, AGE GED. See, दोनों कितना हो गया? 126. So हमारा half of the work is done. Angle AGE is what? 126 डिग्री. देख लो, एक लाइन का सॉल्यूशन था, निकल गया. नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड? एंगल GEF. देखो GEF मीन्स दिस, इतना सा एंगल, ये छोटा, यू कैन चेक GEF, दैट मीन्स ये. नाउ सी, दिस वन इज होल 126, दिस वन इज 90. 126 माइनस 90 करेंगे तो क्या बचेगा? एंगल GEF. सो I can write angle GEF equals to 126 minus 90. Clearly you can see here angle GEF, it is, we have to find out this angle, and the whole angle is 126. We have subtracted 90, so 126 minus 90, how much I am getting? 36 degree. टू एंगल्स वेरी इजली वी हैव फाइंड आउट. दो एंगल तो बहुत इजली फाइंड आउट हो गई. नाउ द थर्ड वन FGE. नाउ सी द फिगर एंड फाइंड आउट वेयर इज एंगल FGE. दैट मीन्स दिस एंगल वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट, दिस वन. सी, इट इज फॉर्मिंग लीनियर पेयर विद दिस वन. इसका और इसका लीनियर पेयर है. सो जस्ट विल राइट स्ट्रेट एंगल AGE. You can see angle AGE plus angle FGE plus angle FGE equals to 180. So angle FGE will be how much? 180 minus AGE कितना हो जाएगा? 126 minus 126, how much we are getting? 54 degree. See all the three answers I am having here. The three angles we need to find out, the three angles we are having. You have to highlight your answers like this by in your exam also whenever you are solving. Okay, so you can also prepare a box. A box can also be formed. Okay, so in this way you can solve. Is it? So try to solve the problems. Try to solve it on your own. खुद से solve कर करके देखना है, तभी means you will be able to, उसी के बाद कर पाओगे. Okay, so in this video we are solving only 3, the next 3 we will solve in the next question videos. Okay, so try to watch on repeated mode for your betterment. Okay, you will and try to solve on your own after watching the video. को pause करके देख सकते हो. You can see everything you are having.